Hey guys, welcome to Audrey and Vivien's channel. I'm Sarah, and today I'm here to talk to you about chain extenders. And that's this little goodie right here. So our chain extender is made of 14K solid gold, and it's available in two colors, yellow and rose gold. And it has these oval links throughout the 2-inch chain so that you can extend any necklace or bracelets by an additional 2-inch. This is a must-have accessory for anyone who wears jewelry because there's so many ways you can use this. And to start with the obvious, the chain extender can add length to any necklace. And to show you an example of how it's done, I brought our sparkle chain necklace as an example. And this necklace is 16 inches long. And in order to extend it by several inches, all you have to do is connect the extender to the end of the necklace, like so. And once you have it around your neck, you can attach the end of the necklace to the end of the extender. And now the 16-inch necklace is an 18-inch necklace. And if you don't want to take advantage of the full 2 inches, if you feel like it's too long, you can always clasp it or hook it to any of the links in the extender. And also, if you want to layer necklaces, this comes in really handy because sometimes you don't have necklace at every length. You don't have a 14-inch, 16-inch, 18-inch, 20-inch, or sometimes you want to lengthen an existing necklace that you think would pair really well with a certain look. So, for example, let's say I'm going to put on our coin pendant necklace on me as an example, and this necklace is 18 inches long to start with. So it falls right there. And I also want to layer it with our ball pendant necklace. It's a classic necklace that looks great with any necklaces. So this necklace at its shortest, it's 16.5 inches. So if I were to layer it with our 18-inch coin pendant necklace, you'll see that the ball pendant falls right on top of the coin pendant. And that's not a flattering look because it overlaps. What I want to do is I want to create some distance between the two pendants. So I'm going to use our chain extender to do that. I'm going to take off the coin pendant necklace and I'm going to attach the extender to the end of my necklace, and then I'm going to wrap it around my neck. So I'm going to hook this at the very end so I can take full advantage of the additional 2 inches. So now you can see that there is a good distance between the coin pendant and then the ball pendant. So this extender is also really useful when you want to layer necklaces. The chain extender is also really handy for putting on bracelets by yourself. So all you need to do is attach the extender to the end of your bracelet, the end that doesn't have the clasp, like so. So I have our closure right here, our lobster clasp, and then this is where the extender is attached to the bracelet. And then I'm going to hold on to the bracelet with my ring finger of the arm that I'm going to wrap my bracelet around. And then hold on to the clasp, wrap it around my wrist, and hook the bracelet. And then all you have to do is unhook the extender, and then voila! You can easily put on bracelets by yourself now. So this trick works for all bracelets. I have another bracelet here with a beautiful disco ball and paperclip pattern. So same as earlier, I'm simply going to attach our chain extender to the end of this bracelet. And then I'm going to hold on to the end of the extender with my finger. And then I'm going to hold on to the clasp with my other finger, wrap it around my wrist, and hook. And then I'm going to unhook the chain extender. So, ta-da! Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more jewelry tips. See you guys soon!